Stay tuned to see how I transform this depressing patio from drab to fab. Hi guys, it's Keisha here. So summer is coming, and normally I would be planning a beach vacation for the summer where I can go to the Caribbean, sit in the sand, frolic by the ocean. But the way that the economy is going right now, I'm not sure when that's going to happen, and my funds just ain't funding. Even when I'm in my hometown, I love going to brunch with family and friends on beautiful patios, drinking mimosas, eating omelets. But as high as egg prices are, I need to make my own. So I've decided to create my own patio retreat on a budget until the economy, my bank account, and I can get on the same page. This is my backyard. Y'all, it looks like I could be doing something illegal back here, but I'm not, or am I? Anyway, today that changes. But first things first, I had to get that grass cut and clear off that patio. I always dreamed of having a pergola over my patio. Wait a minute, is it called pergola or pergola? I don't know, it doesn't matter. Y'all know what I'm talking about. If you know how it's pronounced, please comment below and let me know. So, I always wanted a pergola over my patio. However, I checked the cost of getting that done, and as I said before, my funds ain't funding right now, so I had to think of something else instead. Take a look at my vision board. I've decided to use patio umbrellas since it's not feasible for me to build or buy a pergola, whatever it is, at this time. I want to create one side as a sitting area with a fire pit and the other side as an eating area. My design is centered around this outdoor rug with built-in LED lights. I love the Moroccan patterns and the idea of lighting up those dark summer nights. I also love the plant decor and natural tones of the bohemian aesthetic and plan to combine them both to create the perfect look. Since I've decided to go with the less expensive option of using a patio umbrella, I may as well continue with the theme and use one with solar LED lights. I'm a true believer in solar-powered devices for energy efficiency and hassle-free lighting options. You can find the rug in several sizes and patio umbrellas with built-in solar lights on sale at thereplacementstore.com in the Outdoor Essentials section. This is a family project, so my son will clean off this old patio table and spray paint the metal black to blend in with the other furniture, while my daughter and I clean up and clear the patio slab. This is a 9x12 rug. Once I laid it out on the patio, I realized it was not going to cover the whole patio, which is exactly what I wanted. I had to get another one. Once that situation was figured out, it was time to start shopping. So I began looking online to find great deals on patio chairs. But I didn't stop there. I also went to every discount department store in town. I spent 2 weeks running around the city, visiting numerous stores. I eventually mixed and matched some rope chairs for my patio in pink and green. You can find this black set with the table at thereplacementstore.com. We finally made it to my favorite time. It is time to finish up with art, accessories, and greenery found mostly in my garage. And here we are. What do you guys think? These patio umbrellas with solar-powered LED lights are a game changer, and they come in an assortment of shapes, colors, and sizes. Maybe you like the rustic look of an outdoor wood-burning fireplace. Or perhaps you want a fire pit you can use to grill steaks or make s'mores. All of that and more is available at thereplacementstore.com. Links to the items mentioned in this video are in the description box below. Don't forget to check out The Replacement Project and The Replacement Store on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. And friends, I did not forget about that free offer. It is completely free to comment, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that I Like Keisha button and notification bell to see the next video.